Right about now, you're probably thinking clickbait or bait and switch, but allow me to explain. I've been a near lifelong car guy, and I remember seeing my first 356 in the early 1960s. In the last 25 years, I was able to get into Porsches, all air-cooled and previously owned. I had reached a significant mile marker and thought that it was time to build a modern 911. And the trip commenced. My options amounted to close to 40% of the base cost. Then the wait began. Along with COVID-19 and supply chain mayhem, finally my ship arrived after 17 months at the Porsche Center in Atlanta. And it was sculptural and understated. We put in some miles, and after a couple years, and maybe about 4,500 miles, I didn't connect with it. It was big and much too fast for my 11-mile, 14-stoplight commute. I guess if it's a special occasion car, I like the old stuff. So it went up for auction and sold to a very enthusiastic owner. With more than a hint of schadenfreude, my non-car-loving father would say, "I hope you got that out of your system." I had some loot burning in my pocket, so I started to wonder, did I have the time, a shop, and a desire to do another vintage Porsche hot rod? I had a couple of early 911s, so I had that covered. A 356A coupe would be ideal, so the hunt began.